Hi, today we are going to see how to create a Google Classroom. On your computer, go to a browser. I am using Google Chrome. Into the search bar, type classroom.google.com. After coming this interface, you have to click on Create Class and give the tick mark and continue. You have to put your class name. I am putting some demo name, and which section you want, you have to, and which subject and which room, and then you have to click create. After clicking create, your new classroom has been created. So here is your new classroom. You can also post, customize, and here is your class code to share with everyone. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.